Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at Mina protocol because Mina has performed really well in the past in the past 2 or 3 months, and I think it could be waiting to pump again. So it is on a crucial level as you can see here, but we'll discuss that later. So as of now, let's look at what is going on with Mina. So first of all, if you do not know what Mina is a building the privacy and security layer for Web3 with a zero knowledge proof. So Mina is also the lightest blockchain. As you can see here, other blockchains have massive sizes. As for Mina, it has a fixed size of 22 KB. So that is pretty good for Mina. So in terms of what is going on with Mina, if we look there, they are preparing for their biggest major mainnet upgrade, which will be probably the point where Mina will go parabolic. So it is unclear when it will launch, but they are doing test formation, so that is pretty good. So this is the transparency report which Mina Foundation actually shared on 9th Feb of 2024. As you can see, they have various things discussed here, but what we are looking at is this Mina account growth. So the unique account grew on Mina. This was pretty big, as you can see here. In the January of 2023, they were around 142k, and in the December of 2023, they were around 193k, which was nice growth. It's not that much, but nice growth. As for Mina account allocation, as you can see, that also grew. As for block production, that is not that much. So this one, so protocol development. So Mina protocol development actually went up. As you can see, the development is pretty high, and if we look here, this is the development it shows. So it was peak in December of 2022, but it has been going towards that peak, as you can see slowly. And the active monthly developers have also gone up. So this means that the Mina development behind Mina is going really well. As you can see here, in December it went this high, and commits also went high. So that is pretty good for Mina. So in terms of Mina tokenomics, basically Mina token itself is used for fees, and their fees distributed toward I believe stakers. So in terms of its supply, it does not have any max supply. That means it has inflation. So Mina started with 12% inflation, and after 4 years it will have around 7% of inflation. So if you are not staking your or delegating your Mina coin, you are losing against those who are staking, because the price will eventually go down because of this inflation. So as you can see here, this is the token unlocks, and as of now, Mina has a daily linear unlocks of 2.04 million, as you can see here, and these are the token which they belongs to. So the problem could be the foundation in O1 Labs token, because if we look at the transparency report, they do mention how they sell. So basically what they do, they sell Mina are sold via limit order, which are set and executed at prevailing market price by such service provider. So it won't make any much more sell pressure, because they only use 5% of daily maximum volume, but they do sell. So they do have a sale methodology, as you can see here. So in terms of this, how it will impact Mina is unclear, because the community tokens are being released, and it is unclear whether they will sell or not. But it is one thing to keep in mind, that there are tokens in the market which are being emitted daily. So the biggest event of the Mina is in around, I believe, 92 days, which will mean that there will be, from 31st March, there will be less Mina in the market, as you can see here. So if we look at Mina stats, these are the stats. So the growth for Mina has been actually, so if we do, let's try 60 days and see what is happening. and if we have any growth or not. So as you can see here, the growth of Mina has been gone down because the transactions, I believe, okay, so the transfer per day has gone up, because from, if we look at from Jan, and this has been from the Feb. So the use of network has not been that much, but it's pretty normal, as you can see here. So another thing I want to talk about is their roadmap. Mina has really interactive and good roadmap. As you can see, their roadmap is one of the biggest, and this is the completion. So these are the critical milestones, and they have 4 things. The first one is trust minimization, ZK programmability, and settlement layer performance, Minaverse, and road to DAOification. So they have multiple things in plan. So once these are reached, the Mina will be complete, and after that I think the Mina will probably start pumping. So let's look at the Mina tokenomics, Mina price action. So as of now, Mina has a max supply of 1.13 billion, but circulating supply is around 1 billion. So the rest of the supply will come into circulation and does not have a max supply, which means there is no cap to supply. You have to keep that in mind. So let's move to the news. So Mina did not have any news. I checked everything, so they did not have anything beside this one, and it will go live on it went live on 26 February, their testnet. So let's look at the price. So what I said about why it could go parabolic is because of this. It rejected this level. So as you can see here, it went in the weekly charts, it rejected this level, and it has been consolidating on the weekly chart. So I believe what this means is that we are due for a pump, but before that we need to at least test this level, test around 1.13 to 1.94. This, if once this level tested, I think the price could start going higher. So if we look at the 4-hour chart, I think we have a good demand zone here as well. So this demand, if this demand zone could get filled around 1.3 to 1.2, and I think after touching this, it will try to go up. And in terms of price potential, it has a market cap of 1.3 billion as of now, as you can see. And I think once the BTC does go up, I think Mina will be able to, once the other layer one starts going up, I think the Mina will be able to hit at least 2 to 3 billion market cap, which means that the price will most likely go at least to this level, which around 2.4, which could be the good resistance for Mina. So this was if you are planning to buy the Mina for the long, if you are planning to hold Mina for a long term, I think it is better to stack them. And you can also enter you can also do the DCA on the small chunks at these levels. So the another level, so these are the levels which I have drawn are the pretty good entry points. So the last level, the last support zone, so the last demand zone is around here, 0.4 to 0.3, for which will be probably the biggest bounce back point for the Mina if it does go down all the way here. So this was it. I hope you liked it. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.